minsan eh, lagi namang handa ang bayan.
Excuse me. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Sino?
Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around, you will think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got what's its galore. You wanna sing a boss? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what you call them? Oh, feet. Dipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along the, what's the word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could leap out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Natural land, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. I'm ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's the fire? What is it? What's the word? Burn. When it's my turn, wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above?
Ayun nga lang. Kasi minsan dinilabas niya rin yan. Tito-tito. Ano yan?
Wish I could be
Araw naman.
part of that
Ay, oo. Sabayan mo na.